Guys, it's Gus. And today me and Josh are going to take the Kyosho Gt2 out, do a little speed test on, and rip around out in this parking lot. So let's get her fired up here. I already got her full of fuel. Get the radio on. Pretty good. Has not run in a week. That's pretty good. Let's make sure she's tuned good before we put the body on. Just the steering trim here. We had to put a new steering servo in if you saw my last video. It's a touch on the rich side, I think. Screwdriver. That's pretty good. Put the body on there. This might be a touch on the rich side yet. I try running her kitty corner across the parking lot this way. We get a little more room to open her up. Sarah, want to give her a whirl? We actually got room here. Don't drive so far away. Oh. I just see it. get the hang of drift steering. Is it fun? Mm-hmm. Is this still your favorite one?
Yeah.
Out of gas.
Uh-huh.
That's all right. We just gotta let her cool off for a second and fill her back up. I might lean her out just a touch, see if I can get a couple more mile an hour out of her. But I'm gonna guess about 45 is all she's got in her. Because I thought it was like 50, 55, but 70 is only like 40, 45. So she's at about where it says on the box. So. Screws still look good. Put lots of Loctite in them this time. Want to run another tank?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, well, we'll let her cool off for a second here and we'll get you guys back on. Alright, got her cool off here. Go ahead and fire her up and take her for another rip. I leaned her just a touch, like a 1/16 of a turn. See if we can get a mile or two more an hour out of her. I flooded her. Or 46, 45. All the way to the corner. 46 mile an hour, not too shabby. Out of gas. So what do you think, sir? Really fun?
Yep.
Oh no, I forgot to put the muffler through the body when I put the body on, so now I have a hole in the body. That's right.
Extra decoration.
Extra decoration. These tires got to be getting thin. Probably got a run or two left in them yet. It's definitely a little warmer this time. I think we might have to pop a hole in the windshield for some air in there. Got that shut off?
Yep.
Alright, we'll just leave this shit back here. Alright, yeah, but this thing is a blast. We did have a little issues with it, but changed the servo and did a little lock tighten, and she's pretty fantastic now. And it's Joshy's favorite one to drive, so that's definitely a good thing. That means it must be good. Definitely a lot of fun to drive, right? Mm-hmm. All right, well, I guess that's all we're gonna put in this video. We got 46 miles an hour. Temp, right now she's pretty close to around 250-ish probably, so I don't think I can lean her out much more, so I'm gonna say 46 is about the best. Maybe if we cut a hole in the body to get a little air in there, maybe we can get another mile or two out of it, but I'm gonna say 46 is about it. Yeah, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.